Welcome to Fabricville. Today I propose to you how to make a travel bag. This one is from the Style 7119 pattern. It offers 4 different models of bags. Today I chose model C. I made it from home furnishing fabric and faux leather. To make this bag we'll need the pattern, some pins, a marking pen, scissors, a 50 cm separable zipper, faux leather, lining, fabric and assorted thread. First, I pin the pieces of the pattern onto the fabric, respecting the grain line. I cut the back pieces in fabric and in lining, and the handles in faux leather. Before removing the pieces of the pattern, I transfer the notches that will be useful to assemble the bag. We now have the 2 back pieces, the bottom piece, the 2 side pieces, and the zipper tab. To start, I'm going to turn the seam allowances of the back pieces to the inside and press. I lay these pieces on the zipper. I pin, I baste them in place, now I'm going to stitch using a zipper presser foot. And I remove the basting threads. To make the zipper tab, I press the seam allowances on the long edges toward the inside. I fold it on the fold line with the wrong sides to the inside. I stitch it together close to the edge on the 3 sides. Then I baste the zipper tab right sides together with the zipper end. The handles are composed of 2 bands, one with allowances and the other without. I lay each piece without allowance on the band with allowance, wrong sides facing. I stitch close to the edges. Then I cut off the allowances on the long edges. I lay the handles onto the fabric, matching the positioning line. I stitch close to the edges and across the handles as marked, close to the zipper. I'm going to pin the bag's bottom to one of the bag's lower edges with the right sides together. The handle's ends will be cut in the seams. I stitch, ending the stitching at the seam allowances. I stitch the bag's bottom to the second lower edge of the bag. Then I press the seams open. I'm now going to pin the side pieces of the bag right sides together with the bag's bottom. And stitch. Now I open the zipper and pin the side parts of the side edges to the bag pieces, making sure to match the zipper and the notches. And I stitch. I'm going to assemble the lining. First, I stitch the back pieces to the bag's bottom. I press the seams open. I press the opening allowance to the wrong side. Then I stitch the side parts. I turn the lining right side out and I put the sack wrong side out in the lining with wrong sides facing. Now I pin the lining to the zipper tapes. And I slip stitch. I turn the bag right side out. And our bag is finished. Thanks for watching.